Middle of nowhere, it's looking like a storm at night. You're all I need, guess I'll have to hold you tight. Pitch black sky and sound of the thunder start to set the mood. You got that look in your eyes like you know what we're gonna do. Honey, you know exactly what we're getting to. Only thing on my mind is me tasting you. My body and yours, twisted and tangled. Hold on tight, sexy, your ocean I can handle. Feeling your smooth legs there against the wind of pain. Tell me, baby, do you love to smell the rain? Body on the floor, eyes closed, biting your lips. Lightning flashes off your skin, looking magnificent. My almanac is calling for your rain, but we don't need an umbrella. You're gonna wanna feel the shower as you're busting like a Beretta. Yeah. Honey, you know exactly what we're getting to. Only thing on my mind is me chasing you. My body and yours, twisted and tangled. Hold on tight, sexy, your ocean I can handle. Feeling your smooth legs there against the wind of pain. Tell me, baby, do you love to smell the rain? It's just us in the castle, let it all out. I didn't do it right if there's no screams and a shout. Your body I can help kissing every way. We're about to get so baby, but I don't care. Honey, you know exactly what we're getting to. Only thing on my mind is me tasting you. My body and yours, twisted and tangled. Hold on tight, sexy, your ocean I can handle. Feeling your smooth legs there against the wind of pain. Tell me, baby, do you love to smell the rain?